Hello everyone. So today I got some chromium metal and a piece of emerald. So you can see there, it's a chromium. It's a chromium plating. So yeah, it's plated with chromium. This metal rock and got the emerald here, which is green because of chromium. So chromium is also very abundant, and in its pure form it is non-toxic, but however in the compounds form it is highly toxic, and um, chromium got many uses such as platings like this, or platings on the motorcycles, or some kinds of other things that are hard. So here's my chromium. It's a steel. It is steel, but yeah, many steel got covered in chromium for no rusting, like iron. If it was coated in iron, it will immediately rust after a time. So yeah, iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide, also known as rust. So rust makes the material or the object becomes weaker and weaker. So the chromium here got a very bad smell. Well, it's metal. It's metal. So here is the emerald, and on the periodic table, if you look and search for chromium, you'll find it belongs to the transition metals because it is hard, shiny, silvery metal. So it belongs to the transition metal. So chromium is the element with the symbol Cr and atomic number 24. Now I discovered that chromium and its neighbors around the periodic table, like the other transition metals below chromium, such as molybdenum or tungsten and cesium, got very similar properties with chromium. So that's why the elements share their properties together. So I'm pretty proud with this chromium. I I found this on a scrap container. So at first I thought it was useless, but actually, well, it was pretty useful, and I kept this as a sample of my chromium. You can see the chromium sound. It's very loud sound though. So that's what I thought about chromium. The elements that is behind it is vanadium, which is also pretty similar to chromium. And compounds of vanadium are also highly toxic, like one in the mushrooms. It is pretty weird that vanadium got some biological role in nature as in mushrooms. Know why scientists are trying to explain that. And also, the element next to it is manganese, which is also strong as steel. Well, I like this metal so much. Chromium, so that's chromium. So that's what I think about chromium. So hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time. Goodbye then.